Hi Inline Cosmetics PH, thanks for sending this. Now let's unbox and see what's inside. Wow! So they have a greeting card that says, "Get the glam look you deserve" by Inline Cosmetics. Now they've sent me this vivid ink in the shade Irene, a lip and cheek tint in the shade Faye, and a liquid blush in the shade Sammy. Now let's swatch the vivid ink in the shade Irene. The jelly tint in the shade Faye. Lastly, the liquid blush in the shade Sammy. And that's it. Thank you so much, Inline.